Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. I'm excited to share with you what I ate this week, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start with Thursday. We had cornbread, waffles, and chili. So what I basically do is I make up my cornbread batter, but I put it in my waffle iron so it looks like a waffle, and then I top with the chili. And I have a video on this that I did several years back, and I will be sure to link that below. But this is really filling and really delicious, and you'll once you finish this, you're about ready to go to bed. So that's what we had for dinner on Thursday. Now moving on to Friday, we had takeout pizza. That was an end of a work week, and we were like, you know what, let's just have pizza. So I don't have any footage of that for you, but moving into Saturday, we had steak, sweet potatoes, and corn, and this was so yummy. And Mike actually cooked it on his, it's an air fryer. So he puts it in the air fryer, and then he also put the corn and the sweet potato in there. So all of our food cooked together at one time, and it's really simple and easy to do, and it was so delicious. So this is what we had on Saturday. So when Sunday rolled around, we had beef and cabbage stir fry. This is so delicious. It has just a little bit of kick in it. You can alter that a little bit if you want, but it's so good. And basically all it is ground beef, cabbage, carrots, green onions, and some seasonings, and it is so really good. And I'm going to start putting all of the recipes that I share in one PDF that will be in my weekly orderly, which is my newsletter that goes out every Friday that's filled with tips and things like that. If you're not on my email list, I'll put the link in the description box below. Definitely get on that list so that you can get these recipes if you want every week. So that was delicious what we had actually with the beef and the cabbage. I love that. So next was Monday, and it was kept simple with clam chowder, salad, and a croissant. You know, Mike and I, we love clam chowder, and this is not a homemade clam chowder by no means, but it got dinner in our stomachs. So basically we had a salad, the clam chowder, and the croissant, and although simple, it was extremely filling and delicious. And I had strawberries on my salad this day, so you know, with salads you kind of try to switch it up a little bit and outside of what you normally do. So sometimes we'll have fruit on it and sometimes we won't. And then going to Tuesday, it was takeout Indian. I love my chicken korma. That is one of my favorites, is chicken korma. And so there's this Indian takeout place here in Charleston that we love. And so we'll tend to go pick it up, bring it home. I'll plate it. I'm used to the chicken korma from the UK, this place that I loved when I lived in England. And so it had a slight tint of sweetness to it, which this doesn't. So all I do is add a teaspoon of sugar in it, and it makes it perfect. It tastes just like the one from England, and I absolutely love it. So friends, Wednesday we had pico de gallo chicken and salad. And if you eat a lot of chicken in your household and you're always trying to find different ways to kind of, you know, make it differently and some just creative ways to serve it, then this is a great way. So basically you can just make your pico de gallo with your tomatoes and your onions and lemon juice and just kind of the way that you tend to like it. I'll put this recipe with the one in the newsletter, so definitely look out for that. You then want to season your chicken and then top with the pico de gallo. And then you want to also top it with some cheese, and that's what you're going to put on top before you actually put it in the oven. And friends, it is so good and so simple to make because you can actually make your pico de gallo ahead of time, come home, season your chicken, throw everything together, and it looks like you spent a lot of effort and time into the meal. And so it really is good. Now I will warn you, you know, with the pico de gallo, if you don't want a spicy kick, don't put that kick in it, especially if you have kids and things like that. And then we had a simple salad with carrots and green apples and spinach to go along with it, and that is what we had for dinner. Absolutely delicious. And I even had enough to bring to work the next day, so that's always great when we have enough leftovers to take the next day. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing what we ate for dinner this week. Don't forget to get on my email list so that you can get the recipes if you're interested. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you as a part of the channel. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.